Hey guys, so today I thought I would do an Ocarina of Time online tutorial because it's a fairly new and it's in beta. So the first thing that you want to do if you're wanting to set this up is you go to your favorite web browser and you'll have to go to this link. So I'll just go ahead and put all the links that I talk about in the description so that you guys don't actually have to manually type this in. So the one that you're going to want to download is this Ocarina of Time mod loader with the GUI. So you're going to go ahead and click on this, and then it should go to your downloads here. Once it's done downloading, you should just go click on the arrow and go to show in folder. So once you got that, I recommend putting this folder wherever you want to install it. So I'm just going to put it on my desktop. So I'll just go ahead and go new folder, and then I'm going to go Ocarina of Time online tutorial. From there, I'm just going to go ahead and move this into here, and then I'm going to go ahead and unzip it. I prefer to use 7-zip just because I think it's faster and I just prefer it, but you can always use the built-in Windows one. So I'm just going to go ahead 7-zip, extract here. And now that that's all extracted, the next thing you want to do is you're going to go into the ROM folder. So I can't tell you where to get this ROM, but with a simple Google search, I'm sure that you can figure out where to find this. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my Legend of Zelda 1.0 ROM, which, just for convenience, I think all your friends should use the same exact ROM, or version at least. And then you're going to go ahead and go in and then you're pretty much all set up for the install. So you're just going to go ahead and open this, the application, and then everything should be set up right out of the box. So you don't need to mess with any of the server stuff, and most of these aren't even working yet either. So, but the customization, that's the one thing you will want to change. So you can change your colors of your tunic so that you're able to distinguish between you and your friends, because otherwise sometimes it's hard to tell who's who. I recommend doing this before you start testing, because I made the mistake of doing this with my friend and then saving and going through the entire beginning cutscenes, and then afterwards changing my tunic, which changes the game, so the save file will be different. So you'll have to restart all the way. So I recommend just changing it right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead to go to a green that looks kind of default, and a red, and then some kind of blue. So now after that's done, I'm just gonna go to general settings, and then I'm just gonna make my nickname, and then from here, this is how you create a lobby, because you're not really hosting it, you're just making a lobby on their server. So I'm just going to call this JTrain123. So, and then I'll just make my password 123. So from there, you're pretty much all set up. So you just tell your friends, hey, input this lobby and input this password, and then you just go ahead and click connect to server. So from here, this should open, and then you should see your game running. And then I know it says connecting here, but you're already pretty much set up. The output always will just kind of say connecting. So from here, you can just go ahead and enter, and you can see that I'm in game. So now that that's all set up, you just have your friends join in, and then you just do whatever save, and you guys, so there's no real indication of that you're actually playing together yet. The only way to tell is really just seeing them in your world. So you have to kind of go through the whole cutscene, and then you'll be able to see them in the world. Alright, well that's it for now. Catch you guys later.